Hi, welcome to the React Nanodegree program. We're so glad you're here. My name is Richard and I'm the curriculum lead for this program. We've designed the program to be 4 months long to accommodate your schedule while helping you become a professional React developer as quickly as possible. You won't be going through this program alone. You'll be learning as part of a community of like-minded individuals who will be challenging and supporting you every step of the way as you work toward a common goal. If you haven't already, join the Slack community at the link below and say hi to your fellow colleagues. Okay, let's talk briefly about what the road ahead looks like. The program is made up of 3 main courses and some elective courses. At the end of each main course, you'll build and submit a project. To help you manage your time in each course, gauge your progress, and make sure you get the most out of the program, each project has a deadline. Now, deadlines can sound scary, but their purpose is to be an effective tool to help you finish the program and achieve your career goals. You just need to keep them in the back of your mind as you progress through the course, and build in some buffer time for project planning, debugging, and other things that may come up. Building in extra buffer time will help you be less stressed out and remain on track. If you're learning React for the first time, if you've worked with React before and want to dig deeper, or if you're somewhere in between, we're glad to have you. Welcome to the program.